This video shifts from spec sheets to long-term value, evaluating durability, repairability, and total ownership costs of two premium flagships. It compares chassis materials, screen resilience, waterproof ratings, and battery endurance under real-world usage rather than laboratory tests. Software support matters, so the clip examines update frequency, OS longevity, app ecosystem maturity, and potential throttling or feature locks. The verdict favors informed buyers by outlining repair paths, resale value projections, and genuine advantages each brand delivers beyond headlines. Viewers leave with a clear framework to decide based on personal priorities like camera workflow, ecosystem loyalty, or maintenance preferences.